Hello, Kobe. Alam ko di po naiintindihan sa ngayon to, pero I'm sure paglaki mo magiging mabuting bata ka at mag-aaral mabuti. Love your mommy and daddy.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path.
Happy birthday, Kobe! Stay good boy and healthy. And sana lumaki kang masunurin sa magulang mo.
Sana lumaki kang kasing bait ng mga ninong mo. Happy birthday!
I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Thank you po sa mga pumunta kahit mo nakasimulan sa ticket ng mga drive. At sana next year ulit kasama yung pagkakasama natin.
Happy birthday, Kobe!
Sana lumaki ka ng mabait and masunurin sa parents mo. Love na love ka namin. Ikaw yung first baby namin ng grupo.
And happy birthday, Kobe! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Lagi kang makinig kay mommy at daddy mo. Lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo. We are always your ninang na one call away. So, happy birthday, Kobe!
Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh, I don't care. Go on and tear me apart.
Happy birthday, anak! Always remember that mommy and daddy will always here for you no matter what happened. And sana maging mabait ka na bata. Sumunod ka sa mga tita mo, kay mommy, kay daddy. Sana maging good health ka. I love you, anak.
I think I see
It's like a bit tickling,